All right, let's come back to the video number 3, and this is the cause of the VFR 15-ton Toyota gas-powered engine. Look at those flares. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Come on, focus. God damn it, Apple. Apple makes such a shitty phone. This is a 14 or a 13. Look at how small those are. They had a problem with oil coming back to the system, don't you think? Look at how small those flares are. They were just barely touching on that. Look at that little surface. You see that? So for this 15-ton system, he paid somebody, I think he said $85,000, $88,000 to put this system in. And it leaked out within 4 years. Look at how small that margin is. Look at how tiny that is. Look at my finger. That's only a little 5/8. Look at how tiny that is. This guy was an idiot. This is like, you use the factory flares that came on the end of a line set. You never do that. And you don't use these. These are the screwed up factory nuts, not the original OEM nuts. So they literally lose the line set nuts with the line set flares. And so this is what you get. Just cost the guy, between me, the fix, new compressors and anything, he's gonna spend about $12,000 on a $15,000 unit just to get it up and running immediately. This is just stupid. And this is why flares must go. And yes, user error, we know this, technician error, but it's because it's a flare. Yes, you can argue the point, somebody can do the same thing with brazing, but if somebody does the same thing as brazing, McDonald's is hiring, the garbage collection agency is hiring, and there's toilets that need to be scrubbed. End of story, bar none. Flares cost companies too much money. Flares cost customers too much money. All right, guys, that is my rant. I have 6 more. I got 3 more heads in this room and 3 more heads in another room that are all oily that need to be repaired.